Hey, what is up, you guys? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. And pretty much I'm just gonna bring the camera along with me. I got a bunch of random shit I'm trying to do today, and work a little bit too. So I got a bunch of stuff I'm trying to get done. And either way, I figured it'd be a really good idea to just bring you guys along with me. And anyways, starting off with the Miata, I got a bunch of new stuff for it. I like how it turned out, really. I'm hoping that I get a little bit better gas mileage with the intake and the whole exhaust shebang, and actually like making it sound how I want and fixing it up and getting that ride height where I wanted it. But in this box, I got some nice slotted and drilled rotors, pretty damn crispy, you know, getting fried right on there. So that'll get on there later today. But first things first, I wanted to piss around with the drift cart. I was sending it with my girlfriend really hard last night. Pretty much like after she got off work, it was like 11, almost midnight. Got her on this thing, and pretty much the keys and the axle. Well, I gotta tighten them. They just keep coming loose, and so the axle just keeps shaking like off, and it makes the chain come off. So no big deal. I'm just gonna prop you guys up somewhere, and then I'm just gonna get hacking on this because I just gotta take off the two wheels, tie them up, tighten them up, and then put it back down, put the chain on, and then it's done. I just wanted to get it ready so that when she gets off work today, she can just have fun, and I'm gonna keep doing stuff. So either way, I'm just gonna get chugging. Alright, it's good and ready for her to rip again when she gets off work. But I'm excited to chug on the Miata in a little bit. I'm excited. Moving on to the brakes. I don't think it's going to be that hard at all, honestly. It's just going to take a little bit of time because these pistons have keys in them. And it makes it real nice to retract the caliper to put your pads in, but it's just tricky because they got like little like hook angles on the pads. It's weird, but the pads are cool, so it don't matter. But Project Z hood, it's smooth. It just I need to sand the primer, do another whole coat of primer, and then it's good. Honestly, I didn't think it'd be that hard, and it really wasn't. It's just these things take time, and it doesn't help that literally everywhere that I was trying to go to get body filler, I swear to God, like supply chain recently has been horrible. And I've been like $80 into this hood already, and then just recently I get hooked up with a bunch of body filler from our actual like places we order stuff from. So I'm just like, you know what, like I really hate having to go to like a normal ass store like Walmart to go buy body filler for $20-25 and literally just waste my fucking time and money. But either way, you know, it wasn't a waste because I managed to squeeze out the hood with it. But literally I did use all of the body filler, and I really didn't waste any of it. So it's just you can see it just pissed me off, so it's whatever. But either way, I'm just hyped to actually get this thing stopping on a dime, because it already starts on a dime. So we'll see. Okay, that was a little bit worse than I thought, and I actually love how these look now. But either way, the caliper actually got stuck on me, and I don't know if you guys know, but there's a little key in the back of Miata calipers, and it pretty much compresses and pushes out your caliper. And well, my caliper was stuck even though that key was out, so you can't manually push it in or out. You have to turn it. So either way, I just really like how it looks, and I'm ready to hop onto the other side. figured it'd be a pretty good idea to clean these two, and got the new recruit fresh off the work. Anyways, pretty much we're delivering that car tonight, and well, the Miata's dirty from the bonfire at Jake's house, and the ash got all over it like maybe 2-3 days ago, and that's why it looks so crispy. But the rotors look absolutely so good on the back, and it absolutely complements this chrome on the wheel, like the silver. And I just can't wait to do the front. You know, tomorrow's another day. Back really wasn't too bad, but really just got caught up in some other stuff. So more or less, I'm just happy with how that turned out, and can't wait to go rip the go-kart in a little bit. I think she's hyped too. So everything looks so good cleaned up. Now today, after we actually got the Benz prepped and did a whole bunch of other shit, I think it's about time to actually go rip the go-kart. I don't know. I think she's big pumped up for it. She's been talking about it all night. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Ready to go rip the go-kart? Yeah. Yeah. All right, so long story short, my buddy had a cart laying around, and I went to Harbor Freight and bought a motor for it. And it's a centrifugal clutch, so pretty much every time she corners, she's gonna stall it like that. But until she's ripping it, then she'll be running it the whole time. But either way, it's a running little bastard, and it's a hell of a lot of fun. But it just has like some issues here and there that we just been pretty much like figuring out. Like we made our own gas pedal for it, functional, and brake and yada yada. But everything works pretty well. Flinging damn rocks. But yeah, we'll get some clips of us ripping it, and it'll be a lot of fun. You gotta rip it around corners. So no big deal. You know, just the throttle cable's a little bit loose now. You know, gas pedal's coming in tomorrow anyways in the mail, so I was like, you know, I just wanted to make a makeshift one last night so that her and I could actually ride this. And it still drives fine, like completely fine. It's just, I mean, gas pedal ain't working. You still got your brake, but it's just a little bit different, so it ain't no big deal. But I figured I should take you guys with me just on the way down. And honestly, I'll just see you guys in the next one. Thought it'd be a lot more exciting shit today, but I mean, we still got some pretty cool stuff done, so it ain't no big deal. And we got a bunch of work done, so. And like I said earlier, the Benz is already prepped for paint, so it's just already sitting in the paint booth, so. And we're good to go. What a sick parking spot for a piece of shit.